Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize your connected calendar settings in HubSpot. Whether you want to sync your meetings more smoothly, see your tasks on your calendar, or update your booking links, you'll know how to get it all set up by the end of this video. And trust me, these tweaks can save you a lot of headaches later on. So let's jump right in. First things first, we need to get to HubSpot's calendar settings. To do that, start up at the top navigation bar and look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear. Give that a click. You'll land on HubSpot's main settings page. Over on the left side, find the sidebar menu and click on General. Now, this part matters because the calendar options are all nested under General settings. It's easy to miss if you're scanning too quickly. Once inside, click the Calendar tab. This opens up all the options for connecting accounts and fine-tuning how your calendar interacts with HubSpot. Once you're in the calendar area, the first bit you'll see is about connecting your calendar. Hit the button that says Connect your calendar. Here you'll have the choice to link a new calendar, like your Google or Office 365 account. Making this connection is really important. Without it, HubSpot can't pull in your events or sync your scheduling info. If you're toggling between different calendar accounts, maybe you've got one for work and another for personal stuff, you can actually manage those right here. It helps keep things tidy and ensures you're not double booked or missing important meetings. Now, for folks who rely on tasks, there's a cool feature called Tasks Calendar Sync. You'll be able to create and connect a new calendar specifically to see your HubSpot tasks alongside other appointments, sort of like pinning a to-do list onto your daily agenda. If you're the kind of person who always misses a few tasks in a busy week, syncing them to your calendar can be a real game changer. There's a Learn More link if you want extra detail, but the main thing is, connect the calendar so your tasks show up where you'll actually notice them. Let's talk about availability. In the Availability Calendars section, you can pick which calendars HubSpot uses to check when you're free for bookings. If your calendar isn't showing up here, double-check that it's tied to the same email address as your meetings tool. This might take a moment, so don't worry if things don't appear instantly. Selecting the right calendars helps avoid those awkward double bookings and makes sure clients only grab times when you're really available. Moving to meetings. Here, you can customize your HubSpot meetings URL and the domain. Changing your meetings link is handy if you want a tidier branded URL for client bookings, especially if you've updated your business or want a more professional look. Just keep in mind that any new URL will only work for future meetings. Older links still work, so you won't break any past invites. If you ever want to clear a custom domain, there's a button for that. But note that previous links will exist on their original domains. Also, the default meeting link is always there as a backup. It can't be deleted and is used for personalization tokens. Last up, scheduling pages and chat profile settings. You've got the option to turn off scheduling pages entirely, which disables all pages you own for booking. Useful if you're pausing meetings for a while. In the chat profile section, you can include a link to your booking page right inside chat messages. This makes it super easy for leads or colleagues to set up a meeting with you without sending them hunting for the right link. And that's a wrap. Taking the time to customize these calendar settings means you'll have smoother bookings, fewer scheduling errors, and better visibility into your meetings and tasks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button. And if you've got any questions or run into something unexpected, drop a comment below. I reply to all of them. Remember to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.